Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the source. Save the Excel workbook as XLSX and close it so Autocad can access the file. Open your drawing and create or choose a layer for imported data to keep it organized. Then start the process with data extraction or by inserting a table and selecting link to data. These first steps let Autocad read ranges rather than embedding static images, so you can update later without recreating geometry. Once done selecting the command, point Autocad to the exact worksheet and cell range you need. Choosing a narrow range prevents extra empty rows and keeps the drawing tidy. Make sure to select Link as data if you want updates to propagate, or Insert as a table if you need a one-time snapshot. Configure formatting options, column widths, text styles, and header rows, so the table matches your drawing scale and stays readable without manual resizing. Place the linked table where it belongs and scale or align it with your layout. You can move it like any object. To refresh data, use the Data Links Manager or right-click the table and choose Update Link, since this keeps drawing content current when the spreadsheet changes. If the link stops working, check the file path, confirm the workbook is closed, and verify the named range or cell references. Fix those and then update so Autocad can re-establish the connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.